to Smart and Finals pick up this ginormous pack of granola bars. These new flavor of Juicy Burst and some bread. We got some snacks, but we had no granola bars, and those are getting us through. Pete, hey. Hey, boy.
Calm down, boy.
Yeah, definitely take him outside.
You wildin'. Don't try to jump me.
Excuse me. Pete. Hey, Pete. It's time to eat. Good boy. I don't know.
Oh.
I don't know why they do that.
Log.
Hey y'all, good morning. What's up? So this is my curls, freshly styled. I used Curl Baby defining gel, I used Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner, and I used water in my hands and a brush and just kind of distributed everything through my curls, and then I slicked it down into this little situation. So we'll see how it progresses throughout the day. I'm sure it'll get a little bit more volume here on the ends since it'll be drier later on. So I'll make sure to keep you posted. Hey guys, this is me at the gym. This was my first time attempting to use the bar on the bench press. I actually did one rep and then I saw that I could do it, so I decided to record it for you guys. It took me so long to get settled. I've never really done this, so I don't really know the positions of my hands, so that's why it's taking me so long. But as you can see, I can lift it. I was so scared to try this. I thought I was gonna break my neck, but nothing happened. And in fact, I think I did like 10 of these. And anyways, I'm gonna work on my form, and if you guys have any lifting tips, share them in the comments so your girl can get nice and strong like Hercules. here I'm about to do Jai's hair. This is all of the hair that came out of the Tangle Teaser from Detangling. I used Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner, and I used this honey mousse from Cream of Nature as well. And I also used some water just to keep his hair wet, so that way it doesn't dry out and actually cause more pain than it has to. So here I'm just sectioning out how I want his twist to be, and yeah, you see that's why I have the water on hand, because his hair was drying as I was doing the rest of his twist. First things first, I'm spraying this leave-in conditioner on his damp hair to lock in the moisture. It's by Cream of Nature and I love it. Next, I'm gonna distribute the leave-in conditioner all the way throughout his hair. Then I'm gonna apply this mousse to the roots and to the tips of his hair. I find that when I just apply it to the top, like to the roots, it doesn't make its way all the way down to the ends. And I need it to last because his hair is so long and we need it to last the entire week. Once I apply both of those products, I then take my Tangle Teaser and I begin detangling, starting at the ends. For Jai's particular hair, his hair always holds little knots on the ends. It's actually time for a trim. That's probably why it was snagging so much. And yeah, once I detangle it all the way through, I separate it into 3 sections. I'm gonna start this off as a braid, and then I will turn it into a twist. You'll see here. Braid. This is me telling him to stop moving, otherwise it's not gonna look good. Stop moving. Typical mom mode. And then here, I'm going to grab pieces and basically turn it into a twist. This was my first time trying this method on him, and I'm so glad I did. It made his style last so much longer than it normally would have if I would have just started with twists at the root. His hair is a lot thicker than mine. It is still a little bit fine, but his hair is a lot thicker than mine. So this worked great for him. I highly recommend it. If you love doing twists, try starting with a braid. Your roots will be a little bit flatter. It'll last longer, less frizz. I'm all about that. And yeah, I just twist the little ends, make sure it bounces back right, and move on to the next one. I know.
What do you think?
I was thinking of getting him the chicken. Oh, I do like the bottom. Pete, sit on it.
How much is it?
14.
14 bucks?
Yeah.
You get that for now.
Sit,
See how you
sit,
do with it.
sit.
Sit.
Good boy.
Okay, let's get it for now. See how you do it.
Hey y'all, what's up? I'm about to pack some orders. I got my ring light on so y'all can see me. I had to bring my laptop charger because my laptop's dead. So it's not gonna print nothing if it's dead. This is my thermo printer that prints out the shipping labels. These are our wide tooth combs, our edge brushes. This is where I would keep the blue combs. These are our thank you cards. So yeah, and these are our boxes to ship products out. Today I just need to process 3 orders and get it to the post office today. So that's what I'm about to do. Hey Google, play some jazz.
Okay, here's a Pandora station called Smooth Jazz Radio.
So this is probably the end of this vlog in particular. I think I have a ton of content for you guys to view. Like I did Jai's hair. I don't even know what else I did in this vlog. Like we did a lot. Obviously packed orders. This vlog is pretty much, again, things that I do on a daily basis. Just wanting to make sure that I pick up the camera, hold myself accountable, and post. This will be my second vlog for January. So by the time you guys are watching this, hopefully January is on its way out and we'll be getting into our February vlogs, which February is going to be a little bit more fun. We got some places to go in February, like dinner and whatnot. So maybe a little bit more content. And I want to appreciate you guys. I want to let you know that I appreciate you guys for watching my last vlog, because you guys were so supportive on the new haircut. You guys were really, really, really supportive. And not only that, you guys just pretty much like made me feel really proud of myself that I did not like just be like, oh, it's a new year, I'm not gonna post because I don't know what to do. Y'all are it. And y'all even gave me some questions, like of some things to answer. So I love that. Anyways, that is our vlog. So, oh, y'all want to see my hair? This is what my hair is looking like currently. It's in a struggle bun. I was rushing this morning because my son had to go get a haircut, and it's currently about to be 10 o'clock on a Saturday morning. So yeah, I was rushing to get him there by 8:30 in the morning. And so, girl, we was like, hat, bun, make it work, right? And yeah, stay tuned for more. Bye.